Hi, I'm going to share how the new Zoom system is going to work, and based on that, I'm going to assist make the best use of this system. So always visit zoom.us. Even we have observed if you visit zoom.us, it will get redirected to zoom.com, and then you can see on the right top sign in option. I'll just highlight here. So it is sign in option. Click on sign in. Then you need to log into your Zoom account. Example, I'm entering my email ID, and whatever is your email ID and password, you just save it to your browser. Always recommended to save it in your browser. Now, if you're upgraded to the new application, then you can see app.zoom.us. It uh, your own browser, no need to have this app, but if you are having the app, that is great thing. Okay, so it will give some notification about the my account, where exactly is your account and profile and everything. You can see it here, and in admin center you can see all the uh, organization settings under center, but not required to refer. So like Google, like Zoom want to go for upgraded version. So they have built on the right top, you can see Zoom products. So always you have to refer, first of all, how to check which email ID is connected. So this is how you have to check it. I want you to first click on my account and see the URL is zoom.us/profile. And here you have to see and make sure you are having webinar and meeting 500 participants. This is a very, very important activity. This is a must. So you have to always make sure you are having the access to meeting and 500 participants. Okay, and webinar also. If you don't find it, then connect with the team. They are going to assist you on top priority. Okay, now the second thing is about the main thing is about the webinar. Maybe this webinar option might not be here. Somewhere it might be. You have to drag and drop it to the first thing. Example, this is your going to be priority one. Even you can decide whether your home is first priority or uh, webinar is first priority, and accordingly you can home icon remains same. So webinar, I'm going to move it to the first. So click on webinar. It will open in new tab, and you can see all the old webinar list. Click on schedule a webinar, and you can schedule a webinar. While scheduling the webinar, what are the things you have to decide? By default, it will come as my webinar. You can decide the webinar title. This is webinar, and the date DDMMYY. I'm just add the description. If you can create different templates, go for it. Okay, use the templates. It becomes very easy. Example, I'm going to select, say, public webinar. As soon as you select, automatically the okay, you can see the webinar details here. The title, actually right now we haven't decided anything, so you can decide the templates and you can do it. Okay, for example, if I do it, then immediately it is going to decide what time, what date, and all these things will be ready. So recommended to use the templates when this webinar is going to be there. Say today at 7 p.m. So 7 p.m. I'm going to get the webinar for 1 hour 30 minutes. So 1.5 90 minutes webinar. Registration required, and then passcode is not required. Zoom AI, you can make it. Video by default it is off, and then question answer enabled. Enable HD for video sharing. Make the webinar not required. Automatically record is also not required. By default, the participant can chat with host and panelist. So these are the things you can be ready. So once it is ready, so this is the webinar, and click on schedule. So immediately you are going to get the webinar ID. This is the webinar ID. Here also you can see it, the webinar ID. So if any user visits zoom.us, if I'll just copy it, instead of webinar, you can type a J for join, zoom.us/j/this ID, then automatically that webinar will get started. Okay, so this is how it is going to work. If they have registered, then it will get automatically started. They'll enter. If they haven't registered, so that URL will be redirected to the registration page. So remember this concept. So now you have the option to start this webinar, or you can edit it. One important thing I want to highlight here is about the invitation, you want to collect the mobile number also. So what you need to do is you have to click on registration, edit, and then questions. Inside the question, you have made the last name, first name. First name is always going to be first name, and email address is always compulsory. Last name, you can decide whether it is compulsory or not. And one more thing you can add it, that is the phone number to making it compulsory. So these are the things you can make it compulsory. Okay. For example, if uh, okay, right now I'll not move to that link. So if anyone visit this link, then the registration page will be opened automatically, and you can see the webinar title, the detail, first name, last name, email, and phone with the compulsory star mark. So this is how you have to uh, make the registration compulsory. Okay, coming back to the next thing. Next thing, I explained you about the login profile, webinar setting. Oh, the email setting. In email setting, say example, right now you are having by default email ID, whatever you have added. And this email ID, you want to change it. Then you have to click on this. You can change the name and this email ID. What is the advantage of changing this email ID and name is if anyone login anyone reply to the Zoom email, then those email reply will come to this email ID. So this is how you have to change the email address. So this is one more important thing I want you to remember. So let me go back to, I can directly jump back to my webinar or always go to webinars. And here you can see your webinars. Okay, you can click on start, you can click on edit, you can see the previous webinars, you can see the webinar templates also. You can create multiple templates. Okay, so even the poll and quiz, those things also you can, you have to go to survey. Okay, so in the survey, this option is there. So now let us jump to the meeting. Similar to webinar, again you have to go on the top and then click on meetings. This, it may happen that this might be somewhere outside. You have to drag and adjust it once. So click on meeting. So you can see all the meeting options available. So if you want, you can schedule it. I hope you are aware about these all meetings. So you can create it as per your requirement. Okay, so I'll not go into that part. Next is about the recording. Where can I see the recording? Even I want you to remember the link zoom.us/meeting for meeting for webinar, zoom.us/webinar/list hash. If you copy this link and paste in, I'm like somewhere, if you can remember this link, then you can directly refer to the webinar. I'll just confirm whether it is going to work for webinar also. No. Okay, if you enter only zoom dot slash webinar, it will redirect to something page. You have to slash list, you have to refer. Okay, so this is the URL. So upcoming, previous, everything you can access it here. Simply remember to click on the right top 9 dots and refer whatever the option you want to refer. So this is also explained. Now coming back to the recording, where can I see the recording? So recording, I think they have moved to hub. Let me see, hub.zoom.us. Yes. Okay, so for all the recordings, you can see it inside hub.zoom.us. I'll repeat, click on the right top and you have to decide where you want this hub to be kept. Okay, recording option is not there. So yes, inside this, you can see on the left hand side, I'll just highlight this recording and transcripts. Click on recording and transcript and you can see all the recordings inside this system. You can search by the date and accordingly those recent recording, owned recording. So all these recordings you can refer it here. Now if you can see here, it is processing and this is done. Okay, so now I want to download this recording. Just right click on the three dot. Okay, you can see like this webinar, I want to download it. Right click on this dot. So you have the multiple options also. Simply go to this download, you can download it. Okay, simply you can download it. Okay, so even you can copy the link and passcode and you can share this link with anyone. If passcode is set, then passcode will be shared. If passcode is not set, then accordingly, whatever it is, I mean, so like if anyone is going to enter that link, they will be able to see the recording. Okay, I just copied, and you can see here the recording option is not available from here. Please remember, this option is only available for the host to click on this three dot and download it. If you want to download it, this is the easiest way to download it. You can rename, you can click on share. Okay, once you click on share, it will specify whom you want to share it with, the people, anyone with the link. Even you have the gear icon, and you can decide the set expiry date, by what date you can, whether user can download it, that also you can specify, and whether you want the passcode. Example, I want to set the passcode as 123. It require minimum 6 character, 456. Okay, so I made it simple. Allow attendees to access the recording without the passcode, that also you can set it, or if you want, you can set the passcode. So you can see, like, I have done all these things. You can even have the option like user need to register to watch it. Okay, that is also good sign. I'm just like, if they are not the Zoom user, they can't watch it. Okay, so now I have updated this passcode, and even if I refresh this link, the same link will not work. Let me paste it once again. I think it will work because you are inside the Zoom. Okay, so yes. So now, what is the advantage of that? I think somewhere they will get, the users will get the option to download it. Okay, right now I'm not able to see that option. Okay, recommended not to give the option to download. Okay, this download is coming because of the software whatever we have. Oh yes, here you can see on the right at top, you can download the option. Okay, yes, so download the all the 3 files, or you want specific, you can decide it. You have to click on this download. All the downloads will get downloaded automatically. I'll just cancel it because I don't want to download it. Okay, so this is how you have to refer the recordings. So I think this part is also clear. Or simply visit zoom.us/recording. Zoom.us/recording. You're going to get access to all the recordings like this, the old format. So all the cloud recording, my notes recording, and transcripts are also available here. Okay, so if you want to share, you have to click on this. If you want to download it, you can download all the 35 files. Oh, so many files have been created. You can see, like, oh, got it. So like in our system, like we have a lot of meetings, and all the meetings get recorded inside the system. Okay, so this is the advantage of having the registration. Okay, this recording is on demand now. Okay, I'll refer this and share this on another day. Next comes is the your reports. Again, go back to this, and where you can see the report. Let me go back to home. Okay, home is this page. Home is not required. Click on webinar. Okay, so click on profile and my account. Click on profile and my account. You can see the profile. Here you can see the reports on the under profile. Always you have to refer to the profile link, and you can see the reports and settings also. Okay, these are very, and even the recordings are also available here. Recording summaries, everything is available here. Okay, so click on reports, and you can see the webinar and meeting reports. Whatever the reports are there, those things are available here. Webinar or meeting and these things. I'll not go into these things. Recordings are also available there itself. Okay, so one more thing about the settings. So you can see here, a lot of settings are there. I want you to go through these settings, or maybe I'll create another video for settings. So you can search, for example, you want to have the chat people should by default allow the participant to chat with everyone, or host and co-host, that you can decide it in meeting. Okay, in webinar, chat is panelists can chat with everyone. Attendees can chat with host and panelist. Okay, so this is what you have to do the things. Even you can see here chat auto save, send screenshot. So those things are also available here. So that's it. So these are the different things I want you to remember. And for any support, the easiest way is to create a ticket. Okay, how to create the ticket? oa1.in/t for ticket and jhd for Zoom link. Okay, so if you click on ticket, you can create the ticket. It will be automatically redirected to smartsmart.in/tickets, and you can click on add new ticket and just update the query, and one of our team member is going to support you on top priority. Okay, so this is the easiest way to refer the tickets. Even we will be having all the tickets. We are aware like who created this ticket and whether they got the resolution or not. This is the easiest way. Okay, the other way is at 12 p.m. or 5 p.m. join live on Zoom. The link is oa1.in/jhd. If you register to this, you're going to get access to the Zoom also. Okay, so on Zoom you're going to get the support on priority, wherein they can access your screen and they can guide you more and more faster. Our ultimate goal is to assist you to succeed, take the maximum advantage, and keep on moving ahead. Okay, but still there will be some challenges, if any. We are here to help you to get the solution. We are solution provider. Take the advantage of these things. So this is all about the account webinar meeting. How can you access to the recording, how you can refer to the how you can create the webinar, how to edit it, and how to refer the recording, cloud recording details. Okay, the chat script and everything you can see here also, and all the things I have explained. Okay, need any more help? I'll be creating more videos so that you can learn faster, implement faster, and grow faster. Thank you very much.